Let us do one more problem in momentum impulse. Okay. A 100-gram rubber ball is thrown straight down onto a hard floor so that it strikes the floor with a speed of 11 meters per second. Figure shows the force that the floor exerts on the ball. Estimate the height of the ball's bounce. Okay. Let us draw the figure. This is the ball. And then I do one thing. 1 second. This is the ball. And then it bounces down. It falls on the floor. Okay. And then bounces back. Now we have to find out how much height it will go up. Okay. Now, let us draw this is the picture. This is the floor. And then it is bouncing up. Now let us write down the data. This is 100 grams. Okay, falling down. So the velocity will be 11 meters per second. Okay, and then it goes up. Now mass of the ball is equal to m is equal to 100 grams. I will have to convert it into kilograms. Therefore, this is equal to 100 by 1000. That is equal to 0.1 kilograms. Okay, and then initial velocity is given by 11 meters per second. So immediately we will find out the momentum Pi is equal to mvi. That is equal to, as it is coming down, I will put the negative sign. Downward direction I will take negative. So the velocity becomes negative. So here 0.1 kilogram times 11 minus 11 meters per second gives Pi is equal to minus 1.1 kilogram meter per second. Okay, now next impulse. We can find out the impulse from the graph. Okay, so area under the curve. Impulse is equal to area under the curve. What is the area under the curve? J is equal to half base into height. So J is equal to half into base is 5 milliseconds. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds into height is 800 newtons. So this is equal to 2 Newton second. Okay, impulse. And from impulse momentum theorem, J is equal to delta P, where delta P is change in momentum, Pf minus Pi. Okay, therefore Pf is equal to delta P plus Pi. Okay. Now J is equal to delta P, no? So we know J, so therefore that is equal to 2. This is a 2 plus minus 1.1. Therefore Pf is equal to 0.9 kilogram meter per second. So as we know Pf and then we know m, we can find out Vf. Vf is equal to Pf divided by m, that is equal to 0.9 divided by 0.1. That gives 9 meters per second as the velocity. Now we have to find out the height. To find out the height, we will use the kinematic equation. Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2AD. Here A is equal to G is equal to minus 9.8. Okay. Now Vf is equal to 0 at the maximum height. Vf is equal to 0. So Vi square minus Vi square is equal to 2GD. Okay. Here Vi square is equal to 9 meters. So minus 9. 1 second. minus 9 square is equal to 2 into minus 9.8 times d, or d is equal to minus sign goes off, or minus 81 divided by minus 19.6, that is equal to, what is the height? 4.13. This is the answer. Okay, just you have to use the momentum impulse theorem to find out the answer. This is a multiple concept question. We are using the momentum impulse theorem and also kinematic equations together. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.